Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea is in advanced talks to sign Joao Pedro from Brighton. And also, Bynoe-Gittens' main medical has concluded. Chelsea and Bynoe-Gittens, or Chelsea and Dortmund, agree on a fee, which is 55 million for Bynoe-Gittens. And from Fabrizio, his main medical completed. Yes. But let's start with Joao Pedro. Yes. And before I come and talk about him, whether he will be good signing for our Chelsea or not, let's read this from Fabrizio about him, guys. Understand, Chelsea have now intensified talks to advance on Joao Pedro deal. Chelsea are focused on Joao deal with Brighton after signing Bynoe-Gittens with medical yesterday. Newcastle has 2 proposals rejected by Brighton and Chelsea now pushing. Yes, guys, that is the information from Fabrizio about the player Chelsea want to sign, Joao Pedro. And before we come and do the analysis, guys, let's look at the player profile. Who is Joao Pedro? Joao Pedro is Brazil international, and he is 23 years of age. And he started his football in a team called Fluminense in Brazil. Yes, they are also in this competition, the club World Cup Fluminense. Then after Fluminense, he moved to England team called Watford. And Watford, he did 4 seasons there. Yes, he stayed there for 4 good seasons. And then after that, 2023 to 2024, Brighton went and signed him from Watford. So he stayed in Brighton for 2 seasons also. So this guy, he has been in the Premier League for 2 seasons now. And one thing I like about this guy, during his first season in Brighton, guys, can you believe this? His debut season in Brighton, he scored 20 goals. His debut season in the Premier League, he scored 20 goals. That season, if you can remember, under De Zerbi, Brighton played Europa League. Yes, he was one of their good players, and he was one of their dangerous players that season. So this guy, when he came to Premier League, he just picked it from the beginning, from the alpha. Yes, so that makes me happy about Chelsea signing Joao Pedro. He understood the Premier League very well. He is Premier League proven player. And this season, guys, he scored 10 goals. So when we look at this player, we can say that he had the numbers. He knows how to score the goals. He is clinical. And also when we look at his position, I did my research, guys. I can tell you that this guy is a typical striker. Joao Pedro is a typical number 9. Yes, he can play as a wing. Yes, he is versatile. He can play as attacking midfielder. But I'm telling you that his primary position is center forward, striker. So I can see the reason why Chelsea even see him as a striker more than a winger. And also, as I said, he is that versatile player. Yes, being clinical, being prolific in front of goals. He can play as a wing. Yes, winger, left wing or right wing or the attacking area. So currently, we need that player in this Chelsea team. Yes, especially modern football recently. See, nowadays as a player, you must learn how to play 2 or 3 or more positions at the same time. As a modern footballer, it's now important being versatile. Yes, you can play this position at the same time. And Joao Pedro is that player. Joao Pedro is that player. So just bringing him, yes, he is young. He is not that experienced, or we can't label him as that elite player, like who play football at the highest level, like in the UEFA Champions League, those European experience. He's not that player. But this guy had the potential. Yes, he had the potential to become that player we wanted to sign. Yes, the likes of Vinicius Junior and co, the likes of Rodrigo and co. Yes, he is good. Like, one given the time, when he come to Chelsea and Chelsea will give him the playing time, I know and I think that this guy is going to be one of the dangerous players for us. Yes, he will come and do the work. He will do the work. And also, I never see a bad Brazilian winger. Yes, since I started watching football up to now, I never see a Brazilian winger who is bad. I never see. Or let me say, attacker, Brazilian footballer or player who is an attacker and he is bad. I never see a player like that. Oh, okay, Richarlison, is Martinelli bad or good? Arsenal Martinelli. Yes, so look at our Williams. Yes, And look at Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, currently Vini at Real Madrid. So even Rodrigo. So this guy, for me, I believe that if he come to Chelsea, he's going to perform. I'm telling you, the guy is good. And even one thing I observe about this our Chelsea is that anytime that Chelsea is signing a player who Chelsea fans were adopting, at the end of the day, that player come and perform. At the end of the day, that player normal come and prove it and give us the good performance. Look at Neto. When Chelsea signed Neto this season, like even it was just a surprise signing. Yes, it like the rumors didn't came at that time. Nobody heard about Chelsea signing Neto. Some 1 week or some 5 days, Chelsea used and completed the sign of Neto from Wolverhampton Wanderers. Chelsea paid 60 million for Neto. But now look at him. Look at him. The same as Cole Palmer. When Chelsea was signing Cole Palmer, most of Chelsea fans was complaining why Chelsea is paying that kind of money for a player who doesn't have a lot of Premier League experience, for a player who is a bench warmer at Man City, for a player who is not getting the playing time. But now look at Cole Palmer. Now he is Chelsea. Cole Palmer, brilliant, talented. See, Cole Palmer is one of the best players in the world as we are speaking now. So mostly, Chelsea, if we sign a player and there's not much expectation on that player, at the end of the day, that player normal perform. That player normal come and deliver. So Joao Pedro, let's hope he come and deliver. And I like his style, like his body style, his energetic, him being physique, because the Premier League, that thing is important for the Premier League. Forget, you have to show intensity. You have to show that energy. And Joao Pedro is that player. So guys, as we are speaking now, luckily, Brighton rejected Newcastle. Yes, they are 15 million. And I know, Joao Pedro would like to come to Chelsea. He will choose Chelsea over Newcastle. And even Brighton. For Brighton, they are our second team. Yes, for Brighton, they like Chelsea, man. Anytime that they see Chelsea, hey, Chelsea, welcome, my darling Chelsea, welcome, my lovely Chelsea, welcome. See, Brighton accounts is full of Chelsea money. Yes, so Brighton, they like our money. So I know. If Chelsea, we negotiate very well with the fee, Chelsea will sign him. Yes, and Chelsea is pushing, as we read from Fabrizio. So guys, that is the player Chelsea interested to sign, Joao Pedro. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. Do you think he can come and do the work? Do you think he can come and be the player we want in the flanks and in the striking position, guys? Let me hear from you. And let's come to Bynoe-Gittens transfer. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And after the game, Chelsea Benfica, crazy game, mad game, I gave you a review about that game, guys. Here's the video. Please click to enjoy them also. And let's come to Bynoe-Gittens. In fact, from Fabrizio, Bynoe-Gittens concluded his main medicals. Yes, since yesterday, his medicals has done and dusted. And Chelsea and Dortmund agree 55 million on Bynoe-Gittens. So now almost 90% done. Yes, it just left with some few paperwork and official announcement from Chelsea. So I can even say 95% done. Yes, Bynoe-Gittens coming to Chelsea. It is now possible. And Bynoe-Gittens, another talented player, dribbler, skillful. He is good, but just that he is young, 20 years of age. And this season at Dortmund, he scored 12 goals, the same goals as Nicolas Jackson. Another player scored 12 goals. Yes, okay, Liam Delap at Ipswich Town this season, he also scored 12 goals. So Chelsea, 95% done, completed the signing of Bynoe-Gittens. He left with the official announcement. Chelsea will pay almost 55 million for him. Personal terms accepted. Information said that even Bayern Munich came with a exorbitant fee. Yes, trying to convince the guy, and at the end, he for Bayern Munich. That is good. Yes, we are Chelsea. When you are big, you are big. When Chelsea knock, it is different knock. I'm telling you. So, guys, Bynoe-Gittens coming to Chelsea is also done and dusted. Another good player, as I said, skillful. Yeah, someone who will come and help Madueke at the left wing position. He can also play as an attacking midfielder, sometimes at the right wing position. So, guys, that is the latest information for Bynoe-Gittens. Medicals, main medicals has done and dusted. And let's see, maybe let's see if Chelsea can register him, because it can still happen. Yes, Chelsea can, if everything works fast. Maybe Chelsea official announce him, all the paperwork get done. Chelsea can include him, or he can even join Chelsea in United States. Yes, to be training with the squad, so that you have that friendship starting, understanding, yes, the squad, getting to know his new teammates as Liam Delap. Yes. So, guys, that is the information for these two players Chelsea about to sign. Yes, for Bynoe-Gittens, as I said, concluded. 11 Joao Pedro and Mohamed Kudus. For Mohamed Kudus, West Ham want a swapping deal or the cash, the 18 million they are asking for. So, after this Joao Pedro and Bynoe-Gittens transfer finish, Chelsea may go to see if they can bring Kudus. And at least if Chelsea sign Bynoe-Gittens, Joao Pedro and Kudus, and maybe Osimhen, it's okay. Our attacking is okay. Or, guys, do you think if Chelsea sign these two attackers, do you think we still need a winger? Even if I will bring a winger, I will go and bring more experienced or more proven winger, because rumors are still saying that Rodrigo is still available. Real Madrid Rodrigo, he is still available. So let's see, because Arsenal is also pushing. And for me, I know if Rodrigo is going to choose between Arsenal and Chelsea, I know, we all know, he will choose Chelsea. I'm telling you, because yes, Chelsea, we can give him what he wants. Or we can give him what he always been winning at Real Madrid: Champions League and high quality football, elite football, European trophies. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Chelsea signing Joao Pedro, and Chelsea completed the signing of Bynoe-Gittens. By the way, another video is coming about Enzo Maresca. After that game, the weather, the lighting, the tender, the witches and the wizards, that tender, Enzo Maresca said something about it. So that video is coming and we'll talk about the game. Yes, looking at our team, Moses Casado will not play the next game. So please stay on, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. When that video comes, you will be the first person to see it. Take care, peace.